Now, if you're having trouble with the friction zone, in this video, I'm gonna give you 4 drills that will help, so hang tight. Hey guys, I'm Paul the Motor Guy, and welcome to my channel, where I pass on riding tips, practice drills, and defensive riding strategies. Now, I'm a rider coach, a motorcycle sergeant, and owner and instructor at ProRider Central Texas. Remember, when doing each of these drills, you need your RPMs to be around 12 to 1500, but you don't need to be exact. You just don't want to idle. Now, the first drill is the 2x4 drill. Now, for this drill, you will place a 2x4 on the ground, and you will start with your back tire up against the 2x4. Then you will engage the friction zone and ride over the 2x4. Now, the goal is to be able to ride over the 2x4 without kicking it out. Now, if you find yourself having trouble with this, it's because you're letting out too much clutch. Now, if done correctly, it should look like this. Now, the next drill is the power walking drill. Now, in this drill, you will have a starting point and an ending point. The goal is to engage the friction zone and power walk the motorcycle to the end point. Now, you want to keep both feet on the ground while staying in the friction zone, which should look like this. Now, when you feel comfortable with this drill, you can then move to the slow ride drill. Now, in the slow ride drill, you will use the same setup as the power walking drill. But in this drill, you will keep both feet on the pegs and ride as slow as you can to your end point. Now, when doing this, you don't want to use any rear brake. You want to use the clutch to slow down or increase your speed. Now, this exercise should look like this. Now, for the last drill, you can use a slight incline. Now, for this drill, you want to ride as slow as you can up the incline using the friction zone. Now, this is what this drill looks like. Now, as you can see, those are 4 easy drills you can do, and they do not require much setup. Now, if you found value in this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Now, until next time, practice, 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 and ride safe.